Hi, I'm Martin and I've been where you are. I know what it's like to be a student physio, and that's why I developed TeachMePhysio to make learning physio easy. Yeah, learning physio can be hard, but TeachMePhysio makes it easy, and it's all for the cost of one weekly cup of coffee. And aren't you sick of all the different books and websites that you need for your anatomy, your assessments and your treatment techniques, and all the journals you need to keep up to date with the current research? With TeachMePhysio, we've made it easy and we've put everything in one place. And are you sick of standing behind 30 other people trying to get a view of the demonstrations? Well, TeachMePhysio gives you the best view in the class and lets you watch the demonstrations over and over again. With TeachMePhysio, it's like having a tutor in your pocket. You can watch the videos as often as you like.
And learning anatomy from textbooks, it's the old way. You learn much quicker when you interact with it.
As physios, we treat all types of patients, all ages, all shapes, and all sizes. And at TeachMePhysio, we teach you universal principles you can apply to all these patients. So stop making studying hard on yourself and start learning physio the easy way with TeachMePhysio.